he will have to pay special attention to the sinking fund, an amount which is annually set aside out of revenue and invested with the interest occurring to provide, at a future date, for the redemption of a loan or a series of debentures, or for recouping the gradual shrinkage in value by exhausting the known profit bearing resources of a mine or similar undertaking, full stop. When taking up stocks and shares, he will, of course, be influenced by interim dividends, and whether the stocks and shares are cum dividend or ex dividend, and in some cases, after much trouble and some worry, he may receive a letter of regret, full stop. In the case of companies being floated, he must notice if the stock exchange is giving a special settlement, full stop. Certainly, the investment of money so as to produce a satisfactory return is no easy matter, and whether convertible gold bonds or granted preference shares are held, it is necessary to exercise the greatest caution, full stop. Even the most astute investor may be deceived at times by prospectus, and balance sheets may fail to reveal the true state of affairs of a company, full stop, close.